Time for another challenge. What is good, fam? Hope you're doing well. It's your boy Annie, stuck in quarantine yet again. Do you guys remember what it was like before this whole quarantine thing happened? Because like my life is in like stark contrast to what it was, which surprisingly brings me to the point of today's video. We are doing another photo challenge, and this photo challenge is all about contrast. For those who don't know, last week I made a video all about a photo challenge that a dude named Peter Mckinnon, who is an awesome YouTuber, did. If you haven't seen my video about it, make sure you definitely do that after you watch this video. Link is in the description and right up here so you can see what that video is all about and how I did. During this video and what I did last time, I'm going to be capturing the entire process from beginning to end of taking this photo. I'm gonna explain what gear I have and all of that. So if you wanna just see the photo, it's already up on my Instagram. Go ahead and hit that link down below right now to see what that photo looks like. I will also be showing you the final product, so make sure you stay to the end of this video to see that. This week's challenge is all about contrast, and this one made me think a lot more than the last week's video did. So I asked my sister Bella to come and brainstorm with me because she was the model in the last photo and the model for this photo, and because she has really good ideas. So we both came up with an idea that I think is gonna turn out really, really cool, mainly because it fits this aesthetic that I've been really looking at and really enjoying. All about like neon colors, bright but dark at the same time, and cooler temperatures. So for this shoot, I'm gonna be using the Sony A7. It is a great little camera. It's just been discontinued from what I read. And overall, this Model 1 of the Sony A7 is a great little camera to do some awesome photography for cheap. I'm also gonna be using the Minolta 50mm f1.7. This is a great little lens that you can get really cheap. Review on this lens coming very soon. I'm also going to be using the Sony A7's kit lens, the 28-70 f3.5 to 5.6. This is a great kit lens, super sharp, super pretty, and gets some really, really good things on it. I felt like these lenses and this camera setup would all be the best for the shoot that we're gonna do. So let's kind of get right into that. Alright, so tonight I'm using my younger sister Bella as the beautiful model again, and what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be taking pictures in a bathroom. And I know it sounds really funny, but what we're actually going to be doing is, it's kind of like the concept of, for contrast, I feel like the concept of like colors all around you, right? Because usually people think contrast colors all around you, and then the person, the subject, is like post-breakdown in a bathtub. Because like that's what normal people do, you know? We break down in bathtubs, and yeah, so in my head it looks good. Now let's see if we can just actually get it done with. So let's get shooting. All right, so I've taken so many different photos for this shoot. I kind of was just very heavy on the shutter button. So I kind of want to look through all of them and kind of see which ones kind of look the best. And then just start editing those and then choose out of those and figure out which one I like. So let's just get right into editing. After doing this again, I've realized that editing photos is very similar to editing videos. It takes a lot of time. It takes just time to focus on really what you want. And it's really all about just getting the product the way you want it to turn out. And I feel like this product came out really well. So in my head, this idea felt simple but beautiful, and I think the final product kind of displays how cool it actually is. So can I get a drum roll, please? What do you think? I think it came out really well. If you want to see the full res version instead of the YouTube compressed version, go ahead and go to my Instagram and Twitter down below so you can see that full version. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big like down below and subscribe while you're there. It takes like 30 seconds, like a boop. Cool, all right, we Gucci fam. Let me know what you think of this photo down below in the comment section on YouTube or on Instagram, or tweet me at AntinnyWorld on Twitter. It's your boy Andy, I'm out. Okay, bye-bye.